In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Calendly link. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your scheduling link and how to copy it so others can easily book time with you. Let's start right at the beginning. Open Calendly either in your web browser or in the mobile app. When Calendly loads, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base. It shows your tools, your availability setup, and most importantly for today, your event types. If you don't see them immediately, look for the event types section. This is where each kind of meeting you offer is listed. Event types are simply templates for the kinds of meetings you want people to book with you. For example, you might have a 15-minute introductory call, a 30-minute check-in, or a longer session. Each event type comes with its own settings like duration, location, and availability windows. Take a quick moment to identify the exact event type you want to share. That small pause helps ensure you're sharing the right link for the right purpose, especially if you have multiple options set up. Once you've found the event you want, you have two simple ways to copy your link. The fastest route is to look for a button labeled Copy Link right on the event card. Click that, and Calendly will immediately copy the unique booking URL to your clipboard. If you prefer to see more details first, open the event. Inside, find the Share option, then select Copy Link. Both methods give you the exact same link. What you're copying here is your personal booking page URL for that specific event type. When someone opens it, they'll see your available time slots adjusted to their time zone, and they can pick a time that works for them without any back and forth. It's a simple, professional way to coordinate schedules. A quick tip before you share: glance at the event name and duration to make sure it matches your intention. If you maintain several event types that look similar, this extra check helps avoid confusion. Also, remember that each event type has its own link. If you need to give people a choice among multiple meeting lengths, you can share different links for each event type. That's all there is to it. Open Calendly, find the event type you want, and copy the link using either the Copy Link button or the Share, then Copy Link option. You now have a clean, professional booking URL ready to share wherever you communicate.